Oke, selamat datang di channel Remaja Viral. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe agar kalian tidak ketinggalan video-video terbaru dari channel ini, guys. Dan seperti biasa, saya akan berdoa agar kalian diberikan kesehatan dan kesuksesan. Amin. Nah, seperti biasa kita akan kembali lagi mengamati sebuah video atau mereaksi sebuah video yang akan kita jadikan pembelajaran dan motivasi buat kita semua, guys. Nah, kali ini kita akan kembali lagi mereaksi Putri Ariani, guys. Nah, Putri Ariani ini saat ini menjadi sosok yang sangat fenomenal di dunia musik. Bahkan banyak reaktor, bahkan dari mancanegara gitu, Eropa, Amerika. Wah, banyak sekali, guys. Bahkan ada yang dari Spanyol, Meksiko, banyak sekali. Dan mereka ini sangat-sangat kagum dengan Putri Ariani yang memiliki suara emas tersebut, guys. Oke, tanpa memperpanjang durasi tonton kalian, link video original ada di deskripsi paling bawah. Yuk kita menonton videonya. Let's go, guys.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo guys, jumpa lagi bersama saya di Marula Channel. Seperti biasa, kami akan selalu memberikan informasi-informasi terbaru dan juga terkeren dari reaktor-reaktor luar negeri yang mereaksi Putri Ariani untuk penggemar Putri Ariani dimanapun berada. Nah guys, di video kali ini ada seorang guru vokal ternama, yaitu Ken Levin, seorang guru vokal ternama dari Kanada, dan sangat kagum dan juga terpesona sekali melihat penampilan Putri Ariani. Tapi sebelumnya beliau sempat menertawakan Simon Cowell karena tidak bergairah dan tidak bernafsu katanya. Dan penasaran seperti apa reaksinya? Langsung saja kita saksikan. Let's go.
Pernah ketawain Simon Cowell.
Putri Ariani is just 17 years old, a singer from Indonesia, and she's just received a golden buzzer for her performance on America's Got Talent. Let's find out why right now.
Yeah, let's go.
So they don't give golden buzzers for nothing. Let's find out what all the
I always dreamed on America's Got Talent since I was little.
Are you nervous?
A little bit.
Oh, she's
Orang luar negeri itu.
Is something going on with her eyes? Is she blind? I might have to cut up a bunch of this stuff, so if it feels a little disjointed, I apologize in advance. America's Got Talent is very aggressive with their copyright.
Ya, betul. Copyrightnya sangat agresif sekali ya guys ya. Mohon dimaklum ya.
Thank you for coming to AGT. What is your name?
My name is Putri Ariani. I'm 17 years old. I'm from Indonesia.
She's been practicing that, for sure.
And what is your dream?
My dream is being a biggest diva in the world like Whitney Houston and win a Grammy Award.
Wow, mantap. Amin, amin.
Oh, look at Simon. What a sourpuss. Look at that. Look at that expression. What kind of expression is that on his face? It's sort of like, here we go again. Another ambitious talent. I'm just going to have to tell them they're worthless or whatever.
Ya, beliau sepertinya agak sedikit mengejek Simon Cowell ya guys.
Okay, we're so happy that you're here and excited. We want to see you.
Thank you so much.
She's so sweet.
So cute.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Have fun.
Okay, I just want to say that technician right there, that's a real human being. Technicians, you are the unsung heroes of these big mega
Ya, betul banget.
extravaganzas.
Betul banget.
Don't get enough credit. You guys rock. And gals, everyone who works tirelessly behind the scenes to make these shows come off is... Thank you very much.
Ya, betul. Mantap. Lanjutkan.
I remember when we're still warm. You love your voice and your bright eyes. We
Oh, I wasn't expecting that voice. So sweet and so much maturity. And you hear that nice little vocal cry at the top of the phrase there.
in this love, promise we'll forever.
Oh my gosh.
You break my heart, break my hope, make me so down in a lonely place.
my goodness. Okay. Gosh. Oh, yeah.
Mulai merasuk ya guys.
Here. Lots of chills happening.
Sampai merinding.
I did read a little bit about this kid, and I can call her a kid. She's 17, but I think she's already amassed a sizable following on TikTok, and I think she's got already won Indonesia's Got Talent. But this is like 6-7 years ago. So this kid for sure.
Ya, lanjut.
You are my best friend, being my prince, but I was so wrong. Oh, baby, you changed your pain into the blue.
Oh! Yeah! Woo! She found it! That big phrase right there, going all the way down from her chest voice, effortlessly soaring up through her head voice. And gosh, I'm so excited. I'm punching the furniture here. And there's Simon. You're gonna have to do better than that, love. To break my heart.
You break
Kayaknya beliau senang sekali mengajak Simon ya guys.
so down in a loneliness.
Yeah.
You let me when I'm in love. I was so wrong.
Oh gosh. The audience on their feet, understandably, there is something special about this voice, about this singer, and it's not just the voice. This singer, this Putri. I think I'm butchering your name. I'm really sorry. You've got talent, and you've got drive, and you've got the voice.
Do you fall in you?
Oh yeah, that's really
Mantap,
something
mantap.
to do, to be able to bring the performance down, contain it, and then just have that wonderful wispy, breathy phonation. I'm all excited. I've lost words. I don't have words anymore. Yeah, beautiful.
You have father.
Yes, I'm father.
Very nice to meet you.
That's the mom, I guess. That's the mom, and she's awesome.
Ya benar, itu ibunya ya.
is for you. Yes, thank you.
One more song.
What did you?
Does this happen much on America's Got Talent? Simon going up on stage? I feel it's kind of extraordinary. I don't know that he does that.
Well,
Another song? You didn't like that one?
I just said to Putri, I like her voice so much.
Thank
I
you
want
so
her
much,
to sing
Simon.
a second song, please.
I'm not wrong. His voice is messed up. There's something going on with Simon. I'm concerned for you, Simon.
Kayaknya beliau senang sekali mengajak Simon ya guys. Dari tadi sering ngajak
This
Simon dia.
song is special for you, Simon.
Oh,
Well, thank you.
okay. Did that just come off the cuff? Like, is that just...
What I gotta do to make you love me?
This one's for you. What do I gotta do?
What I gotta do to make you care? What I gotta do to be heard?
Okay. All right.
It's sad, so sad. It's a sad situation.
Oh my... This, come on. This kid's 17? Oh.
Mantap.
Oh. Beautiful rest.
Sorry seems to be
right there. That is a masterclass in how to evolve and use a vowel to pour in your emotion. They're just, I gotta hear that again, man.
sorry seems to be
Beautiful, sweet little modulation there, and that modulation, just how she modified that vowel. That moment where the audience is just stunned. They're not sure. Silence hangs in the air, and it seemed like it went on forever. That moment as a performer, you just, I don't know. It's this beautiful person, you know?
Langsung pusing dia kan.
Mesmerized by you, your voice, you're an angel.
Thank you so much.
You sounded so beautiful tonight, especially the very first song that you sang, like how you switched from your chest voice to your head voice, like
That's
how
my-
you. Sorry,
Yeah, that's my original song.
She wrote that song. I honestly thought that was like a pop song. I just, there's so many pop songs that wash over me and I just don't register them. I thought that was some, it could have been, I don't know.
I think we're all feeling the same thing. You're 17, you write songs, you've got an amazing, distinctive voice.
Thank you so much.
I mean, really, really good. You have a kind of a glow about.
Simon, there's something seriously wrong here. We all know it, or at least I'm thinking, what's the story? What is this story? There is something that has gone massively wrong. It's not just with his voice, but his whole demeanor, and it looks like he's just barely holding it together.
Okay, I don't know whether this is going to make a difference or not. However,
he's standing up.
Look at that face. Look how excited she is.
This is bruised, this is hurt.
Guys, coba perhatikan ekspresinya sudah mulai
This show, I don't know.
emosional ya guys.
I always feel so emotionally manipulated by this show. When I see something like this, and it's undeniable, but they really draw you in. And
This is me.
there's the gold. Yeah.
What a moment, China.
One more time for Putri Ariani.
okay, whew. What an emotional roller coaster.
Mantap, gokil. Saya senang melihat reaksi yang seperti ini ya guys. Yang dari awalnya beliau tertawa-tawa dan sering sekali mengejek Simon dari tadi ya. Dan pada akhirnya sampai emosional dan sangat histeris dan juga kagum sekali mendengarkan suara Putri ya.
Oke guys, kita deskripsikan sendiri. Jadi pria yang tadi mereaction itu, yang dari luar negeri itu, pertamanya dia sangat-sangat apa ya, menertawakan Simon Cowell. Tapi saat di pertengahan lagu tadi, dia sudah merasakan emosionalnya, sudah merasakan penghayatannya dan merasakan apa ya, merasakan pembawaan lagu yang dibawakan oleh Putri Ariani ini. Dia tetap saja tidak bisa apa ya, tidak bisa menarik bahwa memang bagus dan penghayatannya itu tetap menjiwai gitu. Sampai dapat yang kita nonton ini sampai dapat penghayatannya tersebut. Jadi ya akhirnya mengakui bahwa the best beautiful song Putri Ariani, guys. Wow. Semakin kesini saya semakin salut melihatnya, guys. Keren. Ya kita berdoa agar diberikan kelancaran buat Putri Ariani ke depannya. Buat di babak selanjutnya nanti semoga berhasil dan diperlancar nanti segala urusannya. Oke, terus semangat, intinya terus berlatih gitu. Oke guys, dan apa tanggapan kalian? Terus di kolom komentar kita berdiskusi di situ. Sekian video yang bisa saya bagikan, dan mungkin jika ada kesalahan kata dari saya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.